In this video, we'll see the recipe of easy and quick chocolate pedha. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add 1 cup milk powder. Keep the flame between low to medium and roast this milk powder for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you keep stirring it, otherwise you would end up burning the milk powder. Now add 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. I'm using unsweetened Dutch processed, but you can also use a regular cocoa powder. But yeah, it's not sweet. Give this a good mix and you need to continuously cook this mixture till it leaves the sides of your pan. This would take around 10 to 15 minutes. In between, you need to add 2 teaspoons ghee and continue mixing and cooking this mixture. Look at this mixture. It has come together and it has started leaving the sides of the pan. Transfer this mixture immediately to another plate and let it cool down. The mixture should come to room temperature or should be warm enough so that you can touch it. Once the mixture becomes warm, just knead it for a minute or so. Let's make pedha now. So grease a plate with some oil. Take out a small portion of this chocolate pedha mixture. You can give any shape of your choice. I'm giving it a regular pedha shape. Just make a round ball and press in the center like this. Here I've divided the entire mixture into approximately equal sized portions and I'll quickly make pedhas out of this. At the end, garnish with some grated or chopped dry fruits. I recommend that you let this pedha sit for 2 to 3 hours. Outside refrigerator before you consume it. It would taste better if you let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. It's a very easy and tasty recipe. Rahil may also love these pedhas. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.